This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the surface and mixing your varnish correctly. Clean thoroughly so the varnish bonds. Once done, sand with 220 grit and remove residue with a tack cloth. If the instructions call for thinning, add about 5 to 10% thinner and stir gently to avoid bubbles. Apply the first coat with long, even strokes. Follow the wood grain, making sure edges and corners get coverage. You want a thin, uniform film so drying is even and adhesion improves for subsequent coats. Once the first coat cures to touch, plan the sequence to build durability. You should wait the recommended dry time. This could be a few hours to overnight, so solvents evaporate and the film sets. Lightly sand between coats with 300-400 grit to knock down imperfections and promote mechanical adhesion, then clean all dust. Apply subsequent coats thinly. Alternate brush or pad direction to help leveling and avoid lap marks. Keep ventilation steady, and monitor temperature and humidity to prevent clouding or blistering. You finish by refining and protecting the cured varnish. After full cure, wet sand with 600 to 1000 grit for an ultra-smooth surface, then buff or apply wax or polish to achieve sheen and protection. Allow full chemical cure, often several days before heavy use. If you encounter problems like runs, orange peel, or poor leveling, sand back to a solid edge, clean, and recoat with a thinner, even film. For tacky or cloudy varnish, check humidity and solvent content. Adjust environment and reapply when conditions stabilize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.